Buying a property with a septic tank? Here's what you really need to know to keep things running smooth without breaking the bank or losing your mind. Okay, so first off, septic tank maintenance isn't as scary as people make it sound. You want to get your tank pumped every 2 to 3 years, depending on the size of your household and tank and how much water you use daily. Keep an eye on what goes down the drain. No wipes, grease, or harsh chemicals because they can mess with the bacteria that break down waste. Limit how many loads of laundry or dishes you run in a day, cause overloading the system can cause backups or damage. Watch for slow drains or bad smells. That's a red flag your tank needs attention. Plant trees and bushes away from your tank and drain field to avoid root damage. Conserve water with low-flow fixtures to reduce strain on the system. Make sure your septic system is inspected regularly, especially if you're buying the property, to avoid surprises. One of the biggest mistakes people make with septic tanks is ignoring regular pumping, which leads to clogs and expensive repairs. Getting it pumped every couple of years fixes that. Another issue is flushing stuff like baby wipes or feminine products. These don't break down and cause blockages, so toss those in the trash instead. Lastly, overusing water by doing too many loads in one day floods the system, so spread out laundry and dishwashing to give your septic tank time to process everything properly. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their way around septic systems and other home needs, making it easier to get reliable help when you need it. Contractors also get connected with real customers looking for work, so it's a win-win for everyone involved.